right. Good morning, you guys. We took 2 trades today. Ended up $530 in profit. First trade, we get stopped out. I entered pre-market when we changed state in delivery. CISD, you guys know. Thought we were gonna come take these highs out. I entered. I guess I entered right here after we changed state. It was honestly looking very promising. Like, we made it up to here, and I was like, okay, pre-market's gonna open. Take out the highs. Did the exact opposite, stopped me out, and then decided to go do that. I was skeptical to enter off of this change in state, so this, I guess I could have entered off this one. I'm still learning. Like, right here, it gets confusing for me because technically this candle swept the low. So then when we change in state right here above this candle, I could enter and then take my current draws. Still messing around with that, though. Gonna figure it out. But that was our first loss of the day. Second, we came in to this 5-minute gap. I was looking for some sort of retracement. We entered once I saw a good sign of, I entered right here on this candle. And then we took it. I took partials right here, and then at these highs right here, which was my final take profit. Wanted to leave a runner, but I had to go to class, so I just closed the trade out. Or I just kept it here and then went to class. But put us up $530 today. We did not trade the Express account, which I'm more than happy with. I'm being really careful with it because you guys can see we only got $360 to mess with. So the most I'm going to trade is 2 micros. But just being really careful with this account. Don't want to blow it. And so, yeah, we're still down $440 on this account in drawdown, so we still got some work to do on this account. I thought about resetting it, but these last 2 days have been all right. Kind of building. We took 1 trade on Thursday, and it was an A-plus setup. I took it on my Express as well, and yeah. So still coming back from that. As you can see, we're still down, slowly crawling back though. And yeah, if we come over here, I'll show you guys this one, I guess, too. So yeah, as you guys can see, brutal days. So this is what put me in my slump. I feel like this is what really got me worried. I took my payout after this and then traded that Friday. And then on Thursday, I entered somewhat heavy. Not really. I was comfortable risking $225. It was $225 for like, I think 800. It was a great trade. Just unfortunate we had equal lows. That was what stopped me out. But haven't traded that yet. But yeah, no, great day today. Let's see, tomorrow we have PMI. Should be looking for a trade on the eval. If price is looking good on the Express, I will take the Express. But yeah, we'll see. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow.